Welcome back, guys. So today is gonna be a nice day because first of all it's sunny, and then I'm gonna go work with my friend Ali in the coffee shop. So by the way, you can go subscribe to his channel. He's a pretty nice dude. But yeah, I'm gonna be working on my new portfolio. So it's been like 3 years, more than 3 years actually, working as a dev, and now I need to change change my portfolio. It's finally time. And so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna actually work on the copywriting side of the website. So it's not like the nicest thing to do because I'm not gonna lie, I like to build stuff, but it's still really important to do copywriting. And with time, I find it like really enjoyable now doing this. Well, before it was like really boring. But yeah, and by the way, I highly suggest you guys, if you're doing freelancing or yeah, trying to get clients, to just learn the basic of copywriting and design. It's really important as a dev. You cannot like ask a client, hey, you need to hire a copywriter and you need to hire a designer. Most of the time, you're gonna need to do the job yourself. But yeah, it's just I'm gonna work on my Figma, just do all the copywriting stuff, and then when I'm gonna go back home, I'm gonna finish everything. But yeah, I was also speaking with my friend. He was sharing some nice stuff. I was speaking about like technical writing business with him. Benefited a lot, and yeah, it's just some nice days. By the way, don't worry, guys. I don't work on this nice beach every day. Most of the time, I work in a boring place at home. But yeah, some days you need to go out just to see the sun. So that's it, guys. It's just a new type of video I'm making. So if you like it, please let me know in the comments. Put a like and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you soon, guys. Take care.